Hello. So today we'll try to make a payment on ZOHO Books for a vendor. So we have to come to ZOHO Books, and once we come to ZOHO Books, we can come to the purchases section. In purchases section, we have vendors. So once we are inside vendors, it may be possible that you already have that vendor listed on your account, so you can search it out. So I have a vendor called Nizam. So I'm not able to find the vendor which I'm looking for out of my previous vendors, so I have to create a new vendor. So I can go here and I can create a new vendor as it highlights. So when I create new vendor, I have a vendor name as Nizamuddin. So once I note down a vendor, I have to select this vendor display name. It's very important. Further, I need to add bank account details because I want to initiate a bank transfer. And the bank transfer I want to initiate is through ICICI bank integration that I have in the system. Of course, it will also work on other bank integrations that you may have in your system in ZOHO Books. So that allows you to initiate direct transfers from your ZOHO Books itself. So let me fill in the details. Do not use this account number for experimentation, as it may be visible to you, but the point is that it is a non-trackable account, so any testings on this account will not be refunded or tracked. One good part about the ZOHO Books India version is that whenever you write your IFSC code, it gives you the indication of by checking it on real-time basis that what is the if it is correct or not. An IFSC code is generally 11 digits, so it is able to identify the location of the branch in a way. So and you can add more branches to it, so as you wish. So then you save the vendor. Once you have saved the vendor, on the right top corner there is a new transaction blue button. Click on that and click on the bill payment option. When we click on bill payment option, this is the screen that we get. If we have a bill already standing for this particular vendor, then we can use that. But as we have just created a vendor and haven't created the bill yet, so we can directly go to vendor advance and initiate payment via ICICI Bank. So I just write down the amount, I note down the account number. The good part again of ZOHO Books is that it shows you the real current balance, and then we can select the account to which we are transferring on. So it shows the account number of the vendor and the name of the bank. The good part, one more thing to note is I have written Punjab National Bank here. You can also write the bank account name as Punjab National Bank and comma, and then you can write the branch address if you want, so that it is easy trackable. So for sometimes what happens, the vendor has multiple branches or multiple accounts, and he may say that send me the money to the branch of outside city. Then the IFSC code and outside city branch may have another address. So the thing is that if he has multiple bank accounts with similar bank and outside city, then the account number may be different, but bank name will be the same. So just in case to have an extra trackable information, so you can write down Punjab National Bank and the place name. So I have only used Punjab National Bank for now. And then the thing is that here you can write the narration. Good part about the narration here is that whatever you write here will be shown in the bank statement of the vendor. So if the bank, normally the company name is already visible in the statement of the vendor as soon as we pay. However, still if you want that our name should be visible and it is not missed out, so you can write your company name or a voucher number or a trackable information that vendor can use to track that this payment came from your ends, and we also have the proof to show. Once we initiate the payment, so we have a OTP coming up in the Indian banking account systems. So we have to enter the OTP. And the payment is so easy that the payment automatically gets initiated from ZOHO Books itself. And it's only one time that you add vendor without much hassles. So now we submit it. It takes a second. Normally it takes, yeah, this is the time normally it takes. It's rare that it takes more than this time. Once the payment is done, you can open the payment detail. of the vendor, and you can check your vendor payment at this place. So we can take a screenshot and send it to the vendor. So I hope this small tutorial helps you out. Thank you.